Yes.
Are you okay, Dr. Roger?
They produce enzymes to detoxify alcohol.
Yes. They also produce cholesterol, the cell membrane, right? So they produce steroids and detoxify drugs and poisons and alcohol. What's that? No.
Please, no.
No.
I'm going all over again.
I took notes on every single thing in the book.
Okay. Taking notes is very good,
No, seriously.
but understanding is more important.
Yeah, I do. I understand.
Okay. So next, we are gonna talk about mitochondria a little bit.
Did you go to homecoming? Were you dancing?
I'm so hungry.
No, I didn't see it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not see. That's so disgusting. I'm sorry.
Okay. If you don't stop talking, I will not teach you.
Deal.
I will give you a test tomorrow
Yes, please. Please.
from chapters 4 and 5.
No.
No, we can't.
Okay. We are going to finish this topic because tomorrow we have to do lab. Okay. So let's look at mitochondrion. Double membrane structure, outer membrane, and the inner membrane is yes, cristae. OM. Oh no, this is IM.
The outer membrane is the cristae, or?
No, inner membrane. Inner membrane. And inside, of course, you have mitochondrial matrix, but we will talk about that at a later time. And mitochondrion also has its own nucleus. Okay. There is this theory called endosymbiotic theory.
Oh, crazy dude.
Oh, is that where the eukaryotic cell, like,
Oh, it
Yes.
went from the prokaryotic to the
What it says is that how prokaryotes they evolved into eukaryotes. So what happened is these scientists they think that these mitochondrion at one point they were aerobic prokaryotes, okay, undergoing aerobic respiration, and along comes a larger prokaryote than this smaller aerobic prokaryote, and it just engulfed it. You know, it ate it. It got into its body, and
Aerobic what?
and aerobic prokaryotes.
Prokaryotes got into the eukaryotes?
No, so if this is a prokaryote, a big prokaryote, and here is a tiny aerobic prokaryote, which is which we call now a mitochondrion. This prokaryote ate it up,
So becoming a eukaryote?
and it
Don't put on.
live by moving?
it got into the body
So
of
that
prokaryote.
made it a eukaryote.
Yeah, but also endosymbiotic theory also says that the nuclear membrane came from the cell membrane itself, and the endoplasmic reticulum and all that, those came from the cell membrane. But mitochondrion was a different prokaryote which was eaten up by this prokaryote, bigger prokaryote. And ultimately what happens is this gave rise to eukaryotes. Yes?
I'm confused. So was the mitochondria its own, like its own little thing?
It was an organism. It
And
was
then it
a,
went into a prokaryote?
yes.
Like how did it get into a eukaryote then?
No,
It's a
it's
bigger
Became a eukaryote. This prokaryote became a eukaryote.
And isn't that the
Because
same?
of it.
This is called endosymbiotic theory. Yes?
Isn't it just before the prokaryote was the small mitochondria? The prokaryote,
What?
like before it engulfed the mitochondria, how did the prokaryote did it have
Prokaryotes, we will talk about how bacteria, they undergo respiration and all that.
Isn't that what the
We still have prokaryotes
wait, isn't that the
and they still undergo respiration. Yes.
One question. When the bigger prokaryote ate the mitochondria, did the bigger prokaryote become a eukaryote because it has more than one?
Because it had now organelles in it. Then it became eukaryote.
So the endosymbiotic theory is just like a big prokaryote eats, like takes in a mitochondria, becoming a eukaryote. It's just
Yeah. Okay, what does let's break this apart. Shh. Endo means inside, right? Symbiotic is association of two organisms. So this is an organism which was inside the larger prokaryote. So it started helping the cell undergoing, getting more energy because this will produce ATPs. And this one was getting like food from rest of the cell which it will use to make ATP, right? So they were kind of helping each other, and that's endosymbiotic theory. The same way they say that the chloroplast, that was also a prokaryote. Now you should ask me why they were considering them prokaryote, but before you ask me
It has no.
that, then let me mention that those chloroplasts, when they got into the prokaryotes, and they gave rise to eukaryotic plant cells. Yes.
Are all plastids considered the ones that have been prokaryotes?
I know about the chloroplasts. They have they have their own DNA. So it depends if the other plastids, they have their own DNA. Mitochondrion and chloroplast, they have their own DNA.
Crazy.
Yes.
Didn't it say that chloroplasts are also thought to be descendants of prokaryote cells, just like mitochondria?
That's what she just said. She just
Where have you
said
been?
I thought you were talking about the DNA